Which electric dirt bike is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 budget options under $1,500 that won't let you down.
Product number 1, Apex Nexus Tire Inflator. We have the Apex Nexus Tire Inflator, priced at just $39.99. What caught my eye was its multifunctional design and portable convenience. If you want something that can handle both tire inflation and emergency jump starts, this is worth a serious look. This product really shines with its powerful 28,000 mAh battery. You can inflate over 30 tires per charge, which means you're not going to be left stranded if you get a flat. The automatic shut-off feature is a lifesaver, preventing overinflation. You just set it and forget it. Plus, with a max pressure of 150 psi, it's suitable for cars, bikes, and more. Now, here's the thing. Some users mentioned that the noise level can be a bit loud at 80 decibels. While that's true, I think it's a fair trade-off for the convenience and speed you get. It's not going to be a quiet operation, but it gets the job done quickly. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself dealing with flat tires during your off-road adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for a silent operation or if you're only inflating sports balls occasionally. At this price, it offers solid value for its features.
Product number 2, Omer's Adult Helmet. We have the Omer's Adult Motocross Helmet, retailing at $63.60. I was impressed by the fact that it includes goggles, gloves, and a mask right in the package. If you need a reliable helmet that has everything you need for a safe ride, this one's worth checking out. This helmet meets DOT safety standards, which means it's designed to protect you while you're out riding. It's made from durable ABS material and features multiple air vents for breathability, keeping you comfortable even on hot days. The double D-ring design ensures a secure fit, which is crucial for your safety. However, some users reported that the sizing can be a bit tricky, with some finding it runs smaller than expected. Here's the thing though, if you measure your head and choose the right size, this helmet is an excellent choice for safety and comfort. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one helmet solution. Skip this one if you prefer more custom options or need an exact fit without adjusting. Given the included accessories, it's a solid deal. Product number 3, C-Cycle Dirt Bike Gloves. Let's talk about the C-Cycle Dirt Bike Gloves, available for just $12.99. What caught my attention was the touchscreen capability on the fingers, which is pretty handy. If you want comfortable gloves that also let you use your phone on the go, these are worth a look. These gloves are designed with a double-layer palm for shock absorption, which is essential for those bumpy rides. The breathable mesh back helps keep your hands cool, and the anti-slip grips provide better control on the handlebars. Plus, the adjustable wrist strap ensures a snug fit. One downside is that they might not hold up well against extreme weather conditions, as they're more suited for casual rides. But honestly, if you're just looking for solid gloves for weekend fun, that's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, functional gloves for your dirt biking adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for gloves that can withstand harsh elements. For the price, these gloves offer great value.
Product number 4, ILM Open Face Helmet. The ILM Open Face Motorcycle Helmet, priced at $94.99. I really appreciated the open face design combined with safety features. If you want a stylish helmet that's easy to take on and off, keep this one in mind. This helmet meets DOT safety standards and includes a detachable sun shield, making it versatile for different riding conditions. The ventilation system is well designed, ensuring you stay cool while riding, and a quick release buckle is super convenient when you're in a hurry. It fits both men and women, making it a great unisex option. However, some users mentioned that the fit can feel a bit loose for some head sizes, especially at high speeds. That said, if you're riding in a casual setting, this shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a helmet that combines style with function. Skip this one if you need something ultra secure for high-speed racing. For the price, it's a solid helmet choice.
Product number 5, Omer's Adult Motocross Helmet in New Black, costing $59.80. I like that it's affordable, yet packed with features. If you're on a budget and want a solid helmet, this might be the right fit. Like the previous model, this helmet meets DOT safety standards and is made of high-quality ABS material. It also comes with the goggles, gloves, and mask, so you're set for your next ride. The multiple vents help with airflow, which is especially nice in the summer months, and the secure double D-ring design provides peace of mind. However, some users did report that the padding could be a little firmer for comfort during long rides. Here's the thing though, if you're just out for fun on the weekends, this shouldn't be a problem. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, all-inclusive helmet option. Skip this one if you prioritize maximum long ride comfort over budget. For what you get, it's a great value.
We've covered the Apex Nexus tire inflator for emergency needs, the OU Aumers helmets that combine safety and accessories, the CH Cycle gloves for comfort, and the ILM helmet for style and convenience. Each option has its strengths and weaknesses, but all are solid choices under $1,500. Whatever you choose, you'll be ready for your next dirt biking adventure.